It's a common refrain, a familiar feeling of regret. Bitcoin, an opportunity once within reach, now seemingly a train that's left the station, a chance to rise to millionaire status that you missed. The message seems to be clear: you're too late. But wait just a moment. Before we let ourselves be swept away in the Bitcoin frenzy, let's examine the on-chain data. We're talking about 460 million Bitcoin wallets, an astounding number indeed. But what does that actually mean? Let's delve further into the data. Look at this graph. Out of these, there are 46 million Bitcoin wallets that held at least $1. And of those, only 10 million wallets hold more than $100. We have looked at the data, but what does this actually tell us? For context, let's compare it to the adoption rate of the internet. In 1995, the internet had roughly 45 million users. Fast forward to today, and that number has grown to 6.2 billion. Now, if we compare the internet adoption to the current Bitcoin adoption, we can be conservative and count with the 46 million Bitcoin wallets that held at least $1. This roughly mirrors the number of internet users in 1995. Back then, dial-up connections were the norm, and many dismissed the internet as a fad. But here's a secret: Bitcoin adoption is growing twice as fast as the internet did back in the day. Look past all the complexity, notice the scarcity, observe the growing adoption by big players, and the potential to transform finance. This could be a massive opportunity. We're getting started and you can still be a part of it. So, are you ready to join the Bitcoin adventure? If you liked today's episode, give it a like and make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next episode where we'll dive deeper into Bitcoin.